Hello everyone, welcome back to the only series in my channel that actually have a schedule. Yeah, today I also wanted to do photography day, but we can't do it because today is Broke Director. Roll the intro. Woo! And I guess you already saw the last episode. If you didn't, well, go watch it, give it a like if you want it. This table is not doing it for me anymore, and today I'm gonna change that. Because on Broke Director we're gonna build a nice personalized table for any setup that you want. This table will work. I'm gonna show you the materials to use. We're gonna use some massive cardboard. I bet this doesn't hold on the frame. Look at it.
This is pretty simple. You just need two boxes, cut two chunks of the first one, and that part will be the actual table. So make sure you have the right size. Now, cut other two parts of the size you want the length to be. Divide that by 4 and make a triangle with them, making one of the parts overlapping, the end and the start. Now, let's start the support beam. For this part, you will need just to grab two of the crap cardboard that is on the ground and make half cuts on the overlapping and on the support beam. Then you use the rest of the waste material to reinforce the table, putting everything together and you have the table. I also use mirror cardboard to make my logo just because I didn't find the right paint and I thought it was better.
Welcome back! This is my newest table. I know I'm in different clothes and stuff because this took me so much longer than I was expecting. Because my first plan completely didn't work out. Like, it was straight to trash. And then I was like, should I really quit off this idea? And I said, no, you will get a better way to do your stuff. This kind of wiggles a lot. This is my wallet. It's on the corner. And I can still talk and hit the table with that. I actually tested it with my phone and it didn't fail. So yeah, it's a nice table. Of course it's not for eating and stuff like that, but if you want an actual table to present yourself, this is the best solution. It's kind of funny because I guess my studio is complete. I have a proper set of lightings, a proper camera gear, a proper table, set. It's everything. What do you want more? I actually, now I have, you don't know it, but I have a mirror behind you. Just for me to understand what I'm doing, how I look, and stuff like that. I did this because I really need this table with my logo to match with my sets, and who the fucking else is doing it? I have 32 subs and I already have a completely set full of my logo everywhere. I have my logo here bright and shining on my door, on a 3D print, on a cardboard, on a statue. Just to close the video, I guess it's not too long, I hope not, and I hope finally I could go on the schedule, but this table made me proud. Like, you don't understand how things got different, like in a matter of a couple months. I have a shot, like I have a picture of, I was supposed to include this on the latest video, but I forgot. I have a picture of how I started my channel. And that's it for today. You will see this table on all my videos from now on. So give a like if you love the video, subscribe if you love the channel, and if you are here if you want to watch more content, just watch last week's video. So see you around.